I am actually getting ready right now because I am moving today. I guess it's technically like a half move-in. I can't believe it's already been a year since I've lived in Seattle, but I'll be moving to a different neighborhood. We're gonna try to move a lot of the smaller stuff today, so my roommate is gonna help me out. And then I think in the next couple of days, I'm gonna try to move out all the bigger stuff. But as I was getting ready, I also wanted to quickly show you guys some pieces that I received from Louisa. They're a sustainable jewelry brand that I've been following for a while now, so I was actually super excited when they reached out to me. But each piece is tested to be nickel-free and hypoallergenic, and I also just love the cloth packaging that it comes in. These are reusable cloth packages, so I'm definitely going to be using this to store some jewelry. But you can find more information about them on their website. I was actually doing some research on them, and I just loved how transparent they are with how their jewelry is sourced and produced, so you can actually find all of that on their website. But going over the pieces, the first piece that I received is the Lev heart necklace. This is just a simple silver necklace with a puffed heart, and I've been recently getting back into silver jewelry, so I thought this piece would be a really great addition. I love how simple it is, yet it really elevates any look that you have. I also love the size of the puffed heart. I love that it's kind of on the bigger side, but it's super lightweight, which I was really pleasantly surprised by. And then the second piece I want to show you guys is the Frida hoops, which I'm wearing right now. They're just so simple and dainty. They are really great to also layer with other earrings just because they're really small and simple. And what I love about this is you can actually take the pearl off, so you kind of get two earrings in one. And I've worn these like all day. I've even slept with these on, but they don't irritate my ear, and that's a really big thing for me because my ears are pretty sensitive to jewelry. And Louisa was also really kind to give a discount code for you guys, so if you guys want to check it out, I will leave it down in the description box. Make sure to check them out. They gave a 10% discount code, so you can get 10% off your next purchase. But I'm gonna finish getting ready and then we're going to start moving. Hello! Hazel is helping me move in.
Wearing the same shirt from our move-in vlog.
Literally
last year.
we put so much stuff in there.
I feel like I usually only see your like Uber shots of your face.
Oh yeah, I know. This is a different feel. Thank you, Hazel. Hey guys, please ignore the washer sound in my background, but today is the day before I officially move out everything. Some of my guy friends are helping me tomorrow to move out all my big stuff. But yeah, tomorrow is gonna be the official day that I move into my new apartment. So today I'm just gonna clean up a little bit, pack some more things up. I always just forget how much work moving actually is, and there's just so many things that you accumulate as like a living person throughout. Even just this past year, I feel like I've accumulated so many things that I've forgotten that I had, and it just kind of comes to light when you're packing and you have so many things to pack. But hopefully it will all be over tomorrow. Hey guys, it is move-in day and some of my friends are coming by later to help me move in all my final stuff, but it's mostly just like bigger furniture like my desk and my bed frame. I honestly kind of feel emotional about leaving my old apartment just because it was my first apartment here living in Seattle, also first apartment out of college and just experiencing a new city. So there's just a lot of memories in this apartment, so I'm definitely gonna miss it. Oh my gosh, Divish, say hi.
Yo, what's good, guys?
Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Hey guys. I just finished packing and unloading everything with my friends. They helped me out, so I was super grateful. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the state of my room, my new room now. There's still a lot to unpack, so do not be shocked. But this is how it looks like right now. Please ignore the mess. But I decided to put my bed frame in the corner and then my desk. That is actually my vanity desk. I might sell my monitor just because I don't really work from home. So yeah, I might be getting rid of the monitor and the chair, and then my mirror, and then my closet right here, which is actually super spacious. So I love it. It's a lot more spacious than my old one. But yeah, I'm just gonna be organizing all of this throughout this week and hopefully get everything done. Also, here is my bathroom. I need to organize it still, but I put my bath mat there. And then I have this side door closet cabinet door, which I'm excited to use. And then yeah, I have so much to organize, and then more bags in here that I have to organize. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hey guys, it is day 2 or day 3 after move-in, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of where my room is right now. I haven't really been able to fully organize until today, but I honestly love my new room and my new apartment so much. It just gets a lot of natural light and the layout is super open, and yeah, it's just like a really great unit. So I'm really thankful, and I wanted to show you guys. Now that I've organized my room, I want to start kind of decorating it a little bit. So I actually got this Muji frame from Korea. It's just like a clear photo frame, and then the picture inside I actually also got from Korea. But yeah, I thought it would be really nice to put on my vanity desk. Honestly, not much has changed from the layout. I still have my mirror and then my bedside table, my bed, my vanity desk, and the only thing that is different is all the mess. And then I fully organized my closet, so super happy with that. I think I need to buy like a few more storage bins just for loose items, but yeah. Alright guys, so I'm actually gonna head out to a local bakery right now just so I can walk around my new neighborhood a little bit and explore it. But also I'll be meeting up with a friend tonight and I want to buy her some desserts.